When you step back and look at your home's exterior, what stands out the most? Maybe it's the roofing, the windows, or the siding. Your exterior siding is the largest protector of your home, and choosing the right type is crucial for your San Antonio home. Stay tuned to find out whether vinyl or fiber cement siding is the best choice for you in your home. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're going to help you make an informed decision about siding for your San Antonio home by comparing vinyl and fiber cement siding. In this video, we're going to look at their materials, durability, maintenance, longevity, and cost to determine which one is right for you and your home. First, let's talk about materials. Vinyl siding is made from polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, a versatile plastic material. It can be manufactured in various styles, from wood grain profiles to stone. However, the quality of vinyl can vary significantly. Fiber cement siding, on the other hand, is a blend of wood fibers, sand, and cement, making it a stronger and more durable option. It also comes in a range of styles, offering both aesthetic appeal and resilience. While vinyl is lightweight and versatile, fiber cement is heavier and stronger, providing better protection for your home. Durability is crucial, especially in San Antonio's fluctuating climate. Vinyl siding can warp and crack with temperature changes, leading to potential water and insect infiltration. High-quality vinyl can be more durable, but is still prone to these same issues. Fiber cement siding excels in durability. It withstands harsh weather conditions without warping or cracking, making it a reliable choice for San Antonio homes. Its impact resistance and minimal risk of water infiltration add to its long-lasting protection. Both vinyl and fiber cement siding are low maintenance. Vinyl requires occasional washing and replacement of damaged panels. Fiber cement siding also needs a routine wash every few years to keep it looking fresh. Overall, both options are virtually maintenance-free, making them convenient for homeowners. Now, when it comes to longevity, fiber cement siding outperforms vinyl. Vinyl siding might last 10 to 20 years in San Antonio, while fiber cement siding can last up to 50 years with a proper installation. For long-term investment in your home, fiber cement is the superior choice. Cost is a significant factor. Vinyl siding is one of the most affordable options, costing around $20,000 to $23,000 for a 2,000 square foot home. Fiber cement siding, being more durable and long-lasting, costs about $35,000 to $40,000 for the same area. While fiber cement is more expensive, its durability and longevity make it a worthy investment. For more on fiber cement costing, be sure to check out our pricing page linked above. Choosing between vinyl and fiber cement siding depends on your needs and budget. If you're a long-term homeowner looking for durability and low maintenance, fiber cement siding is the best choice. For a more affordable, short-term solution, vinyl siding might be right for you. At Southwest Exteriors, we recommend James Hardie fiber cement siding for its superior performance in San Antonio's climate, and it's why it's the only siding we choose to sell. Visit our website or contact us today for a consultation to find the perfect siding for your home. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.